Hi, my name's Carl White, and I'm here for your Quick Hits. Okay, I'm recording this here at the secret headquarters for the Mortgage Marketing Animals. And what I'm known for is helping loan officers ramp up their business without breaking a sweat. So one of the biggest things that I see loan officers, the biggest mistake I see loan officers doing is spending huge amounts of money, huge amounts of time, huge amounts of effort, all trying to avoid picking up the phone and maybe having like coffee appointments, right? But here's the thing. 100% of the top producers that I know, and I've met with thousands of them, like literally, 100% of them have one thing in common, and they will, and that fact is that they will tell you that the phone is where they made most of their money. Yet we see the loan officers that are struggling, like with just 2 or 3 loans a month, trying to hit that 2 or 3 loans a month, that they're spending all this amount of activity and all this amount of energy and putting in all these extra steps that are totally unnecessary. Like it's just a huge waste of time, money, and energy, all trying to simply avoid the simple activity of picking up the phone. And I'm not talking about cold calling, I'm talking about warm calls and how do you make that happen. I remember one day I was sitting in my office thinking, or I just left my office, I'm sitting in the parking lot thinking, man, this was a hard day, right? We have those. This was a hard day. And then as soon as I thought that, I looked over and to the right of me, and up on this building, and this was in Florida, up on the top of this building were 3 or 4 guys working on a roof, right? Putting a new roof on. And this is Florida in the summertime. It's hot, like real hot. They're getting sunburn and mosquito bites and the smell of the tar. Just a really hard job, right? And I heard in my head, I heard the good Lord above say, Carl, if you want hard, try doing that for a little bit. That's hard. I'm asking you to do 3 simple things. Talk, type, and think. That's it. Real simple stuff. Talk, type, and think. And so all we have to do is those 3 things without putting all these extra steps that's totally unnecessary to make just an absolute dream life in the mortgage business. I've seen it happen over and over and over again. And in my own business too, as an active branch manager, same thing. All of my top loan officers work the phones, right? Couple hours a day. So I thought, well, why are the lower producing loan officers, why are they looking to try to avoid that activity? And it hit me, it's real simple. It's not your fault. Nobody's ever shared with you before who to say it to, what do you say, and how do you turn those conversations into actual loans, right? Fair enough. It's kind of like a duh moment for me. So look, this isn't that hard. All we have to do is help you with that activity of who to say, what to say, who to say it to, and how do you turn those into loans, and you make a fortune just by having coffee with people. How easy is that? But we need to help you on how to actually do that. So in the interest of keeping these to the like 3 or 4 or 5 minutes, these little videos like I do for the Quick Hits, what I'm going to do is for no charge, we're going to help you with some phone role playing, and we're going to show you how to, what do you say, who do you say it to, and how do you turn that into closings? Like when you go to these meetings, what do you say at the meetings? And when you call them up on the phone to set these meetings, what do you say and who do you say it to, so that you're not doing any cold calling? Cold calling is totally uncool. We've never advocated that. So that's what we're going to do. And by the way, these are the same scripts, the same methodology that one of our leaders in the Freedom Club, Chris Haynes, is closing 27 loans just this month, his own personal production, not counting the loan officers that are honored to work with him and he's honored to work with, just his own production is 27 loans for the month by just simply picking up the phone, making a couple phone calls. We want to help you learn how to do that same activity. And when you know what to say, who to say it to, and how to turn that into loans, it takes away all the fear. Trust me on this. So there's a link on this page somewhere. Just click on that link. We're going to schedule you for a call. No charge whatsoever for this call. And we're going to walk you through exactly how to say it, who to say it to, and how to turn those into closings to help you get in that top rim of loan officers that are actually doing those simple things and avoiding spending all the extra money, all the extra energy, putting in all those extra steps, totally unnecessary. So click on the link and look forward to talking to you on the inside, and we're going to walk you through this. We're going to do some phone role playing. I love doing it. Got a couple buddies of mine that's going to help me do this too. Really looking forward to talking to you on the inside. So click on the link, no charge. I'll see you there.